In this video, I will show you how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages. If you are new to the channel, please scroll down and hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to leave a like as well. Let's dive straight into the guide. Here we are on WhatsApp, and this method works on both iPhone and Android devices. I'll go through all the different steps. The first thing you need to do is open your phone settings, whether you're using an iPhone or Android. Once you're in Settings, navigate to the notification settings and open them. If you're on an Android device, there's a feature called Notification History that you need to enable. This feature keeps a record of all notifications that arrive on your device, even if a message is later deleted. Unfortunately, this feature is not available on iPhones, but in some cases, if your internet connection is weak, the notification for a deleted message might still remain, so you may be able to see it if you're lucky. Regardless of your device, make sure WhatsApp notifications are turned on for these methods to work properly. As you can see on my phone, notifications are enabled, and this is the first method. Now let's move to the second method. First, open WhatsApp and go to your Chats page. Then, at the bottom right, tap on Settings in the navigation bar. Once you're in Settings, tap on Chats. Here, you will find the option Chat Backup. If the backup was created before the message was deleted, you can restore that backup, and you'll be able to see the deleted messages on your device. Keep in mind, the messages will still be deleted for others in the group or for the original sender. Tap on Chat Backup. As you can see here, I haven't taken a backup before, but if I tap now, the backup will start, saving all sent and received messages on my iPhone to iCloud, and the same goes for Android devices. There is also an auto backup option, which can be set daily or weekly. Important note, if the message was deleted before the last backup, you won't be able to recover it because you can only restore the most recent backup. If you're unsure when the message was sent or deleted, the best approach is to simply test the backup. To restore a backup, all you need to do is delete the WhatsApp app from your phone, then reinstall it. During the setup after reinstallation, it will ask if you want to restore a backup. You can restore from iCloud on iPhone or from a locally saved backup on Android. If the backup includes the messages before they were deleted, you'll be able to see them. If you only want to recover a single deleted message from a specific person, the simplest solution is to ask them directly if the message was important. They might have sent it by mistake, or there could be a simple explanation. If you found this video helpful, please scroll down and hit the like button. Peace.